What's up guys, my name's Caitlin Morris with Signature Premier Properties. I teach technology and today we have another KVCore tutorial for you. KVCore is our tech platform that is completely free for all our agents, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about a property site that's automatically created for you for all of your listings with a ton of great lead capture opportunities. So you need to have a listing to see this, and that's under Core Listing Machine. So if you go to Marketing and then Core Listing Machine, it'll open a new window, and if you scroll down, you'll see all of your active listings below. Click on View for one of them. This is one of Michaela Viard's listings. Thank you for letting me use your account to demonstrate. So now you have this website, and it says Tour Assets. Branded, click on there. And now you have this beautiful website just for that listing with a nice gallery of the videos, property details. It makes you look super professional. Here's all of Michaela's information. There are plenty of places here that you can capture lead information. Click here to schedule a showing. The chat feature. If they put in their information to ask you a question, you'll get an email with the question so you could reply to them at your convenience, but they have to put in their name, phone number, and email, so that's another way. Scroll down, mortgage calculator, another place for people to capture their info. They can request a printable brochure. This will be created automatically when they put in their information. And then some information about school districts, local weather, driving directions. This is another place to capture lead information. So I don't even know how many different ways I just showed, but so many. And this website also looks really good to share with your seller. Promote this website anywhere. If you create a YouTube video, it will also put this website in the link of the YouTube video. You could click on share right here and text or email this page to anyone. Immediately go to share on social media. So if you share this on social media, maybe run it as an ad. That's a great ad to put up because the website makes you look really professional, and there's a ton of lead capture opportunities. And this is also automatically generated for you. You don't have to do anything. One of these sites are made for every listing. So I think this is a really cool feature. Let me know what you think, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me.